Looking for a special scrunchie? This is exactly what you need. It's perfect for our season. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Nazanin. Do you remember this scrunchie we made together before? These two are just a little bit different. The leaves and the ruffles on the hair tie are not exactly the same. If you want to try it, the link of it is right up there here. Let's get started. We need a 4 color of yarn, one color for the ruffles, 2 color of your choice for the flowers, and 1 color for the leaf. We need a crochet hook suitable for your chosen yarn, and a pair of scissors and a needle, and we need a hair tie. Okay, make a slip knot on your hook and insert your hook inside the hair tie. Grab a yarn, bring it out, grab a yarn, pull through. Here is our first single crochet. We need 40 single crochet all around the hair tie. Then actually we're making 1 single crochet all around. Okay, after that we made our last single crochet. Join with the slip stitch to the first single crochet and cut the tail of the yarn from the first. Now we're gonna making 5 chains as a first double crochet and 2 chain space. Okay, wrap a yarn around your hook, skip next stitch, into the second stitch make 1 double crochet and 2 chains. Repeat this diagram for 19 more times. Okay, skip 1 stitch, into the next stitch make 1 double crochet and 2 chains. Okay, do this until the end. In the end, join with the slip stitch to the 3rd chain. And now move to the chain space by the slip stitch. After that, make 3 chains as a first double crochet. Now we're gonna making 4 double crochet into the same chain space. Okay, and after that make 3 chains and a slip stitch into the same chain space. Go to the next space by the single crochet and then make 7 chains. Now we're gonna making a slip stitch into the 4th chain from the hook, and after that make 3 chains and single crochet in the same chain space. Okay, we're gonna repeat this diagram until the end of the row. Go to the next chain space by the slip stitch and make 3 chains, 4 double crochet, three chains, a slip stitch into the same chain space. Okay, move to the next chain space by the single crochet, make 7 chains, a slip stitch into the 4th chain and 3 chains, single crochet in the same chain space. Okay, repeat this diagram until the end. In the end, join with the slip stitch to first single crochet here, cut the yarn and fasten off. Secure your tail of the yarn between the stitches in the wrong side. Undo it by needle. Move between the stitches very slowly. Don't push too hard the needle. Okay, if you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed yet, I'll be happy that have you in my little crochet family. Your support truly means a lot to me. Okay, grab your flower color, make a slip knot on it and insert your hook into the space between first 3 chains and first double crochet here. Grab yarn, bring it out and make 3 chains. We're gonna making bubble stitches. Wrap a yarn around your hook, insert your hook into the space, grab a yarn, bring it out and repeat this 5 more times. By wrap a yarn around your hook, insert your hook into the space, grab a yarn, bring it out. Now grab a yarn and pull through all the loops and make a chain. Here is our bubble stitch. Then make 1 more chains and go to the next space between 2 double crochet, 1 more bubble stitch, chain 1 in there. By wrap a yarn around your hook, insert your hook, grab a yarn, bring it out. Okay, repeat this 5 times and pull through all the loops. Make 2 chains. The first chain is for the puff stitch, doesn't count it as a chain space. Okay, repeat this diagram for all the space between the double crochets. After that, you made your last puff stitch, flip your work to the wrong side and join with the slip stitch in the top of the first puff stitch. Okay, make 6 chains, skip 3 chains and slip stitch into the 4th stitch and make 1 double crochet in the same chain space in the first, make 3 chains and single crochet around the double crochet. Okay, then make 1 more double crochet in this next chain space, 3 chains, single crochet around the double crochet. Repeat this diagram for all the chain spaces. Make 1 double crochet, 3 chains, single crochet around the body of double crochet. Make 2 of these stitches for each chain 1 spaces between the puff stitches. Okay, look, 1 double crochet, 3 chains, single crochet around the body of double crochet. Do this for all the chain 1 spaces. Tell me, are you a scrunch person or more of the headband person? Tell me in the comments and tell me what color are you using for your scrunchie. I love to know that. And if you have any trouble and if you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. Okay. Okay, in the end, join with the slip stitch to the first stitch here, cut the yarn and fasten off. Move very slowly between the stitches and secure your tail of the yarn between them. Okay, do the same for the other spaces. We're gonna making the ruffles. Make a slip knot on your hook and insert your hook into each stitch of the round one and make a slip stitch in there plus 4 chains. In each stitches of this round, even these stitches that we made a double crochet in there, make 1 single crochet and 4 chains. Go to the next stitch, make 1 single crochet and 4 chains. Repeat this diagram until the end for all stitches you have on your hair tie in the round one. Good. Do this until the end. And then join with the slip stitch to the first stitch and cut the yarn and fasten off. Make all flowers in any color you like all around the hair tie. That's it, it's almost done. And don't forget to share your gorgeous flower scrunchie with me. Tag me on the Instagram or send me a photo to my email. Can't wait to see your creation. Love you all. Happy crocheting. See you in next video. Bye.